Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. And guess what? FydeOS 22 has been released. And today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process how to install FydeOS 22 on your computer. So without getting further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you're gonna do is just open a browser and search for FydeOS. And here is the first official website, FydeOS.io. Open it. And here is the link, download. Click on download and you will be landed into a new page. And here you're gonna choose FydeOS for PC. Click in here. And here is a set pair for the older computer user. FydeOS 22 has been released for the latest computer users. That means if your computer has Intel 6th Gen and latest processor, then you are eligible to install it. If you're using Intel processor below 6th Gen, then you're not able to install this FydeOS 22 on your computer. And for the AMD user, if you're not using AMD graphics or AMD processor with the Ryzen CPUs, then you're not eligible to install it. Mind it. Since I'm AMD Ryzen 5600G processor, so I'm gonna download from AMD graphics. And if you're on Intel platform and using 6th Gen to 14th Gen processor, then you're gonna probably download from Intel Modern. And in my case, it's AMD. Then click in here. And here you will see 3 different sections. You can download anyone from there. Just click in here. You will get to download FydeOS 22 on your computer. Now, after downloading, again, search for Rufus and click on here. And scroll a little bit. And from there, download the latest one. It's downloaded. Now, you can close it. Get a download folder. And now here you can see FydeOS is there and Rufus is there. Now what you're gonna do is insert a pen drive to your computer, minimum 8 GB in size. And now double tap on the Rufus application and click on yes. Again yes. Now select the FydeOS file and drag and drop it to Rufus. Now it's loaded. Minimize this. Okay. Now you can see my pen drive is automatically detected. It's not. Then you can click on the drop down and select your USB pen drive. Now it's done. Now what you're gonna do is click on start. But before clicking on start, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in this process it will lose everything on your pen drive. So click on start. Okay. And it started. Now you're gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Now when it's ready, it will show ready. That means it's completed and you can click on close. Okay, it's done. Now you're gonna restart your PC and boot into boot menu. If you don't know how, you can repeat this photo, otherwise you can search on Google. Now let me restart my PC and boot into boot menu. Now from the boot menu, you just select your pen drive and hit on enter. Now welcome with a new wallpaper. Now just select your language and region, click on OK. Now again, click on get started. Now, if you want to try, select try. If you want to install, just click on install. So, we're gonna install, then click on next. If you want to install multi-boot, then you can select multi-boot installation, but you want to install full disk, and that's why we're selecting full disk, and click next. Then you're gonna select your hard drive. That's automatic selected in my case because I'm using single disk, and hit install. It's installing, and make sure that every data is backed up on your computer, because in this process it will lose every data on your computer since it's a single boot installation process. You're gonna wait here 5 minutes maximum. When it says installation completed, now click on set down and your PC will get set down. Now again, restart your computer. Now again, select the language and keep it loud. Click on OK. Select get started. And here you just connect to Wi-Fi. Now click on accept and continue. Again, accept and continue. Now here you're gonna choose Google account because we want to use Google Play Store, and choose Google account and click on next. Select personal use, select next. Again, select next. Now just log in with a Google account. Now you can create any password for FydeOS device, or you can just use a Google account password to log in the FydeOS device. Click any one of them, click on next. Again, click on next. Now you can choose your icon size and click on next. Choose your theme and click on next. And check these two options and click on get started. And congratulations, you've successfully installed FydeOS 22 on your computer. So if you want to install Google Play Store on FydeOS 22, then you gotta wait for a few hours. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.